Welcome to Inframitra Private Limited. At Inframitra, energizing excellence is more than just a tagline. It is the promise that drives everything we do. A promise to deliver innovative, reliable, and sustainable energy solutions for a brighter tomorrow. Established in October 2021 and headquartered in Patiala of Punjab in India, Inframitra has quickly emerged as a fully integrated infrastructure and solar EPC provider. From concept design to commissioning and long-term maintenance, we ensure quality, reliability and consistency at every stage. Serving residential, commercial and industrial clients across India, our mission aligns closely with the nation's drive towards sustainable energy. Our vision is bold yet simple: to be a global leader in reducing carbon emissions by advancing renewable energy development to the next level and building a greener world for generations to come. At Inframitra, our mission is to create a world-class portfolio of reliable and cost-effective solutions. We are committed to integrity, ethics, and responsible governance. We drive infrastructure growth through innovation, quality, and sustainability. And above all, we remain transparent, accountable, and focused on long-term value creation. Our core values define us. We nurture entrepreneurial spirit and innovation. We uphold integrity and remain committed to excellence. We believe in collaboration, respect, and trust. We are agile, performance-driven, and passionate about our profession. And we take our responsibility towards society and the environment very seriously. Solar energy is simple, yet powerful. Panels capture sunlight. The inverter transforms it from direct current into usable alternating current. That power runs homes, businesses, and industries. Excess energy can be stored in batteries or exported back to the grid, making solar not just sustainable, but also highly efficient. At Inframitra, we deliver customized solar solutions for every need, from rooftop systems for homes and businesses to large-scale ground mount and hybrid projects with storage integration. We also provide solar water heating systems. Whether you are a homeowner, an industry, an institution, or a healthcare facility, our team provides mentorship, guidance, and reliable support throughout your solar journey. To ensure flexibility, we offer 3 business models. The CapEx model allows clients to own their system and maximize long-term savings. The OpEx model eliminates upfront investment. Clients simply pay per unit consumed. And the RESCO model provides shared ownership with reduced tariffs, ensuring affordable and accessible clean energy. So, why choose Inframitra? Because we offer end-to-end EPC solutions, from concept and design to commissioning and maintenance. Our expertise ensures technical and operational excellence, while our India-based headquarters provides agility and proximity. We are ISO 9001:2015 certified, built on a strong compliance foundation and committed to sustainability. Most importantly, we tailor our solutions to meet every customer's unique needs. Since our inception, we have delivered projects across residential, commercial, and industrial segments. Some key highlights include a 75 kilowatt industrial carport plant with work in progress at Telangana, a 7.5 megawatt solar project with INC scope in Tamil Nadu, supply of module mounting structure for a 35 kilowatt project in Gujarat, and multiple rooftop solar installations in Punjab and Haryana. Every project reflects not only our technical expertise, but also our ability to adapt to diverse requirements. Inframitra is recognized under the Ministry of MSME, Government of India, and proudly registered with Startup India. We support the government's Make in India campaign and are committed to the vision of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. These certifications, collaborations, and initiatives reinforce our credibility, discipline, and compliance as a trusted solar partner. At Inframitra, social responsibility is at the heart of our journey. We support India's Net Zero 2070 target by promoting solar-powered homes, industries, and rooftop plants to reduce carbon emissions for a sustainable future. Through our collaboration with Prithvi, a leading NGO in northern India, we contribute to education, environment, health, sports, and livelihood development. Our initiatives include the People Kranti, a plantation drive with more than 3,000 saplings already planted, scholarship programs for deserving students, and skill development workshops that empower rural communities with sustainable livelihoods. Thank you for learning about Inframitra Private Limited. We invite you to join us in shaping a cleaner and greener tomorrow. To connect with us, visit our website, write to us, or scan the QR codes to get in touch directly. Together, let us energize excellence and build a sustainable future.